Logan Savage Automotive here. Yeah, I didn't disappear. I didn't go anywhere. Uh, Deepest apologies to the subscribers that I have and the people that actually watch me fairly consistently. It's been 2 weeks and I haven't posted anything, and this is my sorry about that, guys video coming out today. Last week, not Monday to Saturday of this week, but the week before, June the 8th through the 12th, 7th to the 14th, I think, how long we were gone, was Hot Rod Power Tour 2026. Route 66 Centennial 100 Years. Great time. And because of that, well, I wasn't home in time to finish editing the video I had to put up Saturday. But whatever. Skipped a week. Happens. Well, this week, Monday to Sunday here, and Monday, I got back from vacation. Well, I had a bunch of stuff to catch up on through the week at work and other various projects, and trying to edit and fool with video clips. And I lost some clips of data that I'm trying to recover and things of that nature. I didn't have a chance to finish editing the Power Tour video or the video from before. And happens. So today, June the 21st, I'm going to make this little video and post it to explain to you guys, hey, sorry, we were on vacation. I didn't have any of my equipment. Skipped that week. This week, I've been hammered busy trying to catch back up with everything where we left for a week, and I haven't got it all edited yet. My Hot Rod Power Tour video is 200 and some clips so far, I think. It's like 3 hours of footage that I've condensed it to so far. I'll have to condense it some more because I don't think anybody's going to watch a 3 hour clip of me and the woman's vacation, is what it is. But I'm still editing it, so the Power Tour video is not ready to come out yet. I'll probably, hopefully, have it by this Saturday coming. I don't guarantee it. I'm going to put this one out just so you guys, hey, my deepest apologies. I know, the few of you that do watch wanted to see what had happened on Power Tour. Updates. I'm not very big on the social media. I'm busy. That's how it goes. So yeah, here's this. Sorry to everybody who's been waiting for content or was worried something had happened or thought I quit or whatever. Not that anybody was really concerned, probably, but you never know. The Power Tour video should be the next one to come out. I'm thinking if I work on it all this week coming, I should have it ready to send out by Saturday, hopefully, so you guys can check out our Power Tour of us and some of the cool things we saw and things we did, and pictures we took, and Route 66. And I hope I saw you guys out there. I know there were some guys from Florida we ran into. I can't think of their names off the top of my head. They were cool people. They commented on some videos and stuff. They're good dudes. Had a S10, a Mustang, and a Malibu. And I was about that life. And we met some guys. I don't know where they were from, but they had a turbocharged C10 pickup and like OBS Chevrolet pickup LS motors, both of them. And they were pretty cool. They were awesome folk, amazing builds. Makes me think I need some horsepower in my life. And yeah. So that's why nothing's came out yet. I'm just, sorry. I'm getting to it, I swear. And I hope you guys stick around and can't wait for the Hot Rod Power Tour episode to come out. Let me know what you guys think. Do I condense less and make a long video? Do I break it into two halves? Do I do one day a video at a time? What format would you like to see? Those that are watching, let me know, because some days I film more than others. Some days I didn't hardly film at all. You know what I'm saying? So one video might be 10 minutes, and one next video might be an hour and a half. I figured on just making one big long video and you guys can watch it at your leisure or not. Anyway, yeah, so power tour video will be coming up hopefully this week. Enjoy my little sorry about that, guys. My bad. Been busy. Video today. And we'll catch you guys in the next. It's Logan Savage Automotive here, signing off. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch that power tour video. We'll get back to our regularly scheduled content any day now. It just everything's backed up. I got to work it all out. We'll see you guys in the next one.